In this session, we shall look at more examples of algebraic expressions. First, we want to look at a type of question that asks us to find the value of. Find the value of an expression. For example, x squared. When x is equals to 2. Now we know that x squared is equals to x times x. And this is equals to 2 times 2 if x is equals to 2. 2 times 2, which is equals to 4. And this will be the answer to this question that wants us to find the value of x squared when x is equals to 2. We will be doing another example. Again, it's find the value of an expression like 2x squared plus 1 divided by 5 when x is equals to 3. So let us write down this 2x squared plus 1 divided by 5, and this can be written as 2 times x plus 1 divided by 5. Now we are going to substitute x with 3. Whenever we see an x, we just replace it with 3. So this expression becomes 2 times 3 times 3 plus 1 divided by 5. We see that we have multiplication and addition on the same level. In this case, we have to perform the multiplication first, because multiplication has a higher priority than addition. So we need to times the numbers first. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. So now we copy back plus 1, divide by 5. Then we know that 18 plus 1 is equals to 19. We have 19 over 5, and we want to convert this into 3 and 4/5. And this will be my answer. Now we look at another example. Let's find the value of again. And here is my expression. It's x squared plus x cubed. And when my x is equals to 2. I'm going to write x squared plus x cubed as x times x plus x times x times x. If my x is equals to 2, I am going to substitute x with 2. Whenever I see x, x becomes 2. So that my expression becomes 2 times 2. I copy back the plus, and then 2 times 2 times 2. Again, I have multiplication and addition on the same line. I have to perform the multiplication first. So 2 times 2 is equals to 4. I copy back the plus sign, and then I perform the multiplication 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So it's 4 plus 8, and this is equals to 12. So 12 is my answer. At this point, it is quite good to mention that x cubed, okay, for example, x cubed is not the same as 3x, because x cubed is equals to x times x times x, and 3x is equals to x plus x plus x. We now focus our attention on something else. Before I move on, I would like to mention something. If we have an algebraic expression, if ever you see this, like, x divided by 4, this is actually the same as, it's actually the same as 1/4 times x. It's the same thing, right? So x over 4 is the same as 1/4 times x. And sometimes it is written as like this, 1 over 4 x. If you see an x like somewhere in between this fraction, in between the fraction, this x actually belongs to the numerator. It belongs on top. You see, it's like this. It belongs on top. This is something that you have to note. So now let us look at another type of example that asks us to instead find the value of. The question says simplify. They want us to simplify an expression. For example, here, let's say 5x plus 2x. So to simplify this expression, I put 5x plus 2x. You can put the equal sign here, I don't mind, or at the bottom here, it's the same thing. And this is equals to 7x. This will be my answer. If they don't tell you what x is, you do not need to give a numerical value for the expression. The question says simplify. So when they say simplify, you just leave your answer usually in this in algebraic form. Let's look at another example. Again, it's simplify. Right? So it's now 5x minus 2x. And this will be equals to 3x because 5x minus 2x is 3x. That's quite simple. Now let us look at something slightly more challenging, slightly more interesting rather. If I say simplify 5x plus 2 minus 2x plus 3. What we have to do is, now let us just copy back this 5 plus 2 minus 2x plus 3. And then let me put the equal sign at the bottom here this time. I want to gather like terms. When I say gather like terms, I mean I want to bring all the x's together. Now you pardon me and let me change my ink color. What I want to do is to move this term here, minus 2x, to be next to 5x. So I will have 5x, I copy back, and then I move minus 2x. Remember that when I move minus 2x, I have to move the minus sign also. Not just 2x, move the sign as well. If it is plus 2x, then you move it's plus 2x. But in this example, it's minus 2x. So I copy this minus 2x like that. Then I copy back plus 2 and plus 3. This is equals to 3x plus 2 plus 3 is 5. And this is my answer. This is the end of part 3 presentation. Thank you for watching.